That's why most of you, after mixing this, instead of you to get results, you end up getting a damaged skin, or you start getting dark. You want your skin to be even, like you want to have a uniform color, you want your skin to be spotless, or you want anywhere you go, people will be asking you, what are you using on your skin? Then this is for you. Have you been trying to brighten your skin, lighten your skin, or whiten your skin, and you've been mixing different products? Maybe you saw a video online that says mix this to get effective results, and you just jump into mixing them. No, that's a wrong skincare practice, except you are a chemist or you are a skincare formulator. You know why it's wrong? Because you can mix two ingredients that doesn't agree together, and which will definitely alter the product and also destroy your skin. I don't know whether you watching this video have experienced that. If you have, please do it to comment down below, because there are some skincare ingredients that doesn't go together. For instance, mixing benzoyl and retinol is a no. Mixing AHA and retinol is a no. Then mixing vitamin C and AHA is a no. You need to know the right ingredient that goes together with each other. For instance, vitamin C and vitamin E are best friends. Like, you can mix the both and you will get a very good skin. If you mix vitamin C and folic acid, those two are good friends. They can go together. But mixing wrong skincare product that doesn't go together, it will destroy your skin and it's going to alter your skincare product. That's why most of you, after mixing this, instead of you to get results, you end up getting a damaged skin, or you start getting dark. That is one of the mistakes you have been making in your skincare product. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you the tips and the tricks on how to use two body lotion to lighten your skin effectively. So if this is something you're interested in, sit down, because I have something specifically for you. Okay, in skincare, to get the effectiveness of your skincare product, you need to have a step, procedure, method you need to follow. 1, you need to have a morning routine. 2, you need to have a night routine. 3, you need to have days you exfoliate, deep and double cleanse your skin. 4, you need to have days for break. And 5, you need to always protect your skin. These steps, if you follow it consistently, seriously, you're going to see effective results. Okay? There are parts of your body that are easily prone to skin reaction, like stretch mark, like green vein, like white patches, and possibly hyperpigmentation on the skin. One of it is, you see this part here. These parts are easily prone to getting green veins and stretch mark with all the skin reaction. You see over here, the top of your armpit is also prone to getting skin reaction. You see down here in your inner thighs is also prone to getting skincare reaction. And maybe probably here, that's you get your dark knuckles too. All these places are places that are prone to getting reaction depending on the kind of product you use. So if you want to lighten your skin without altering your skin or having dark knuckles, green vein, stretch mark, or sunburn, first of all, you have to balance the lightening effect with a moisturizing effect. Okay, so first of all, you need to get two lotion, which is 1, a moisturizer, which can be any moisturizer of your choice. It can be Nivea, it can be Dove, it can be Vaseline, any product of your choice, any moisturizer of your choice. It can be Olay, vitamin C, anyone at all, you know, that you can lay hands on. When you get a moisturizer, then the next thing you need to get a lightening body lotion. I mean a good lightening body lotion that contains healthy lightening ingredients like folic acid, aqua, licorice, and vitamin C. Okay, so when you get these two lotions, here with me I have this one, this Nivea lotion, this Nivea vitamin C lotion, and I have here with me this active Ravia drip body lotion. I'm not saying you should get this particular two. I'm not saying you get these two lotion. You can get any lightening lotion. I made a video about lightening body lotion that will help lighten your skin. I will link the video up here. Click on the link and watch the video. Okay, so any of the lightening lotion you decide to pick, but make sure it's a healthy lightening lotion. It's not a bleaching product. Okay, when you get the lightening lotion, okay, see how you're going to apply them. Okay, you know, previously I said to get effective result in your skincare product, you need to have a morning routine and night routine, right? Your morning routine is when you use products that will help to protect your skin, nourish your skin, and moisturize your skin. Then in your night routine, that's when you use product that will repair your skin, that will also replenish your skin, and also lighten or brighten your skin. So this is where this two combo comes in. So in your morning routine, you're going to use this Nivea Radiant Beauty Vitamin C lotion. Okay, this one, please don't mix anything inside, just like a plain lotion like this, the way it is, the way they formulated it. This one, you take it and apply all over your body when your skin is damp. Okay, you apply it all over your body. When you apply it on all those places that I said that are sensitive, that are easily prone to skin reaction. Apply it all those places, like apply it in your inner thighs, apply it all over your body, please, but don't apply it on your breast. Okay, I don't believe in applying skincare product on my breast. I can apply it all over my body, but not my breast. And lightening product, I don't apply them on my tummy. Okay, you apply it all over your body from your neck down to your leg. Okay, apply them judiciously, use them very well, like use them, enjoy the lotion. When you apply them finish in the morning, then you can go ahead to use, after you finish showering, you apply them, then you go ahead. Then the next thing is you go in with your body oil. Massage your body oil into your skin after using this together. Okay, massage your body oil, then you can do your face routine, then you go out. Okay, then your night routine, that's when you come in with this, the lightening body lotion. This is one I am using, this active gavia deep body lotion. You take this lotion and apply it on your body, apply it all over your body. But the places I told you that are easily prone to skin reaction, all those places you are going to avoid them for now. Like you're going to avoid, not like you're going to, let me teach you what you're going to do. Like all those places that are easily prone to skin reaction, first of all, you either take your body oil, like normal moisturizing body oil, or you take shea butter and apply on those places. Okay, like you apply it on all those places first, then before you go in with your lightening body lotion on your skin. Okay, then you go in with your lightening body lotion and apply them after you finish applying your shea butter, Vaseline, or maybe your normal moisturizing body oil. Then before you go in to apply this on top of it. All right, but the other of your body that are not easily prone to skincare reaction, then you can go ahead and use this lotion judiciously on all your body, and trust me, you will not have this green vein, you will not have stretch mark. And anywhere you have stretch mark, please avoid those places. Just do what I asked you to do. Like if you have shea butter, you apply. If you can get moisturizing body oil, maybe like Vaseline body oil, or you can use Vaseline, just apply there before you apply this on your skin. Or better still, you just avoid that side, but in your morning routine, you use your moisturizer and apply over there. Okay, do you understand? That's how you're going to use this two lotion to get effective results. And you have to be consistent with it. Yes, you have to be consistent. That's the next step. You need to be consistent. Consistency is something that you need to be doing every time. Like you apply your body lotion every day, but I will recommend you skip maybe like one day in a week or 2 days. Then you just allow your skin to breathe before you go in and apply your body lotion. Okay, so if you practice this effectively, you're going to see remarkable results. That is what I'm doing. I practice what I preach. Okay, as you can see my lotion, I'm not with any makeup on my skin. I'm not like, this is how my skin is. I have been using this and you can see the effective result I'm getting. Okay, so if you want to lighten your skin, if you want to have a uniform skin color, and if you want to lighten your skin effectively, you want, when you go outside, people will be asking you, what are you doing, what are you doing on your skin, what are you using? This is the method you have to use. You know, on this channel, I'm going to be giving you the tea. I'm going to be giving you the latest updates. Okay, I'm going to be giving you all the updates you need to know to get a beautiful glowing skin. Okay, then after doing all these things I asked you to do, by using your moisturizer and your lightening lotion, like I explained in the video, please don't forget to use your sunscreen. You cannot be lightening your skin and you're going under the sun without a sunscreen. That is a no. That is a bad sign. Okay, if you're lightening your skin or brightening your skin, please always go out with your sunscreen. Please remember to rub your sunscreen on your face and also on your body. Using your sunscreen and doing all those things I told you in this video, seriously, you are going to get effective results. You're going to get effective results. And Try it and come back and thank me, okay? So if you've gotten to this point, you know what to do now. Give us a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please subscribe. So guys, have you been practicing this particular method I shared in this video? Or do you have other method you've been doing that have been working for you? Please do well to share it down below in the comment section. I'll be right there to listen to your comments, okay? So if you find this video helpful, you know what to do now. Give us a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please subscribe. And if you find this video helpful, you can as well watch this video right here. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah. Mwah. Mwah.